It's actually good for you now.
Sorry?
It's good for you now that you spray with a regular gun.
Right. Well, he sees the difference.
That's it.
He sees the difference. He can definitely see the difference. So he gets a good fan, he gets a nice spray out of that, and we were able to match that with the new cap that I put on it.
So he'll be able to
try again.
He was getting exactly, if not better results with our gun without the overspray and the mess.
You have to try
specifically that you guys need.
Yeah, here, let me. Yeah, no, we're gonna need to trade it out. We're gonna need to trade it.
Can you hit the machine?